Today we're gonna make blueberry muffins. Specifically, we're going to do, I don't know, what is it called? A copycat recipe of the Jordan Marsh blueberry muffins with my little twist on it. Or zest, rather. It's not a twist, it's a zest. Anyway. We're gonna make a copycat recipe of the Jordan Marsh muffins. If you don't know what Jordan Marsh is, it's like a Macy's type department store that closed a long time ago. New England area, but these are actually fantastic muffins. I got this recipe off of King Arthur Baking years ago, and we've been making it ever since. It's fantastic. These muffins are delicious if you like blueberries. If you don't, you know, more from me. Anyway. So we're gonna start off with just some basic ingredients, obviously, a ton of blueberries, but we're gonna start off with 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature. You're gonna need to make sure that that's at room temperature. And hopefully I remember all the ingredients that I have here. And then we're gonna cream that butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar. I'm gonna do that in this bowl here. All right, once that's creamed, we're gonna add these eggs, 1 egg at a time. And then from there, we add 1/2 cup of milk, teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. All right, so for the next ingredient, we're gonna add, we have 2.5 cups of blueberries that we're gonna use total, but we're gonna take 1/2 cup and we're gonna mash it up. Now, if you're gonna do the traditional recipe, you're not gonna add the lemon, but I'm gonna add the juice of 1/2 a lemon. I'm gonna try not to get it all over me. And then just a tiny bit of lemon zest. Maybe about 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest. I'm gonna add that in, and I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do with the rest of it. All right, so we're gonna add these to the mixture and blend that in. And then we're gonna add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna do that slowly. And this is what it looks like so far. Can you see that on the camera? I'm not sure. Yep, that one? Yes. All right. Nice. All right, now we're going to fold in the rest of these blueberries, 2 cups of blueberries, unmashed, and our baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We're gonna fold those in together. So I greased the muffin tin just with some cooking spray. Hang on, I forgot my scoop. All right, from here we're gonna scoop in a nice big scoop of, you definitely want to grease that pan first or these will never come out. And because it's my show, we're gonna run into that anyway. Guaranteed. They're not gonna come out easy. All right, we definitely have batter left over. Probably get 1.5 dozen out of these. Now we had some streusel that we made earlier. We're gonna take some of that streusel. We're not gonna need all of it. I'll take about 1/2. Maybe about 3/4 of a cup. We're gonna take the rest of that lemon zest. We're gonna top these with that. We're just gonna mix this in. It's not gonna be an overpowering lemon flavor, but it's gonna be nice lemon flavor. We're gonna cook this in a 375-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And I'm gonna pop these in the oven and we'll see what happens. So now we pulled these out of the oven. These took about 19 minutes. I know I said like 25 to 30 minutes, but I used these are smaller muffins. It's a smaller muffin tin, and I didn't want the giant poofy muffins. If you want to do that, I would cook them 25 to 30 minutes. Definitely cook them a little bit longer, still on the 375. But you would fill them all the way so that they would poof up. I think this is a better size for the muffins, so we're gonna try to get these out of here like this. I don't know where my little metal spatula is. Now the way to make sure that they're cooked all the way through is to just stick a toothpick in them. The toothpick comes out clean. Then they are all set, cooked all the way through. We've got these nice little muffins, a little crumbly, lemonish top to them. And then we're gonna take the rest of that batter. That's why we're gonna get 18. Normally if I was gonna use a larger muffin tin and use, and fill them all the way, then you would only get 12, but they would be huge. Pull that open, get all these blueberries inside. I'm not gonna bite that yet because it's very hot right now on my hand. But these are delicious blueberry muffins. Again, that's the copycat recipe for the Jordan Marsh blueberry muffins. Obviously they need them huge. And we did a little smaller portion here. I add a little bit of lemon zest and lemon juice to the crushed blueberries just to give it a little enhanced flavor. And instead of the sugar on the top, you can use that coarse granulated sugar on top to give it a nice crusty top. We used some streusel that we made with some lemon zest in it. Hope you try these out. Like and subscribe. Be sure to click that bell. We'll see you next time. Good? Okay, I'm gonna try.